Is your iPhone showing the message blocking is active error when you try to send a message? Don't worry, I've got you covered. This error usually occurs when your carrier has blocked your ability to send messages, or your messaging settings need adjustment. Here's how to fix it. Solution 1. Double-check the contact. Open Message app, select the contact that you have issue with, tap the profile picture from the top middle, tap Info, double-check the mobile number. Solution 2. Remove the blocked contacts. Open, scroll down, tap App. From here, find out the phone app. Scroll down, tap Blocked Contacts. If you find blocked contacts, unblock them by tapping Unblock this caller. Solution 3. Enable Premium SMS Access. Open Settings, scroll down, tap App, find out the Message app, scroll down, ensure Send as SMS is toggled on. If your carrier supported, enable Premium SMS under the cellular settings. Solution 5. Update your date and time. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Date and Time. Make sure to set this automatically. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset and select Reset network settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords. That's how you can fix the message blocking is active error on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.